What's up guys, Midar True Good Development. I'm on site on one of my flips and I'm using a powder actuated concrete nail gun. I've done another video on this before just explaining the Ramset, which is what I'm using. That's the type of nail gun that I'm using. But in this video, I'm quickly going to show you whether you can use the powder actuated nail gun on cinder blocks. Alright guys, this is the wall that I'm going to exercise on. This is a cinder block wall. It's a hollow core block that's a 1.5 inch in depth. So the question was whether you can use one of those powder actuated guns on cinder block, and the answer is yes. I've used it, but I want to show you how you can use it as well. So I have this already loaded up with my 2.5 inch nail, and I have my PowerShot in here as well, and I'm using a 22 caliber with a yellow tip, and that's the level 4 strength in the Ramset. Of course, always use your safety glasses. Never forget those. And if you've used these guys before, you know that you have to apply enough pressure just to get this part of the gun to depress, as well as the trigger simultaneously. So on count of 3, I'm going to go ahead and fire this shot. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe or like the video. And hey, if you're into property flips, check out my other videos. I talk a lot about that. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.